This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we will talk on how to create coupons in your WooCommerce website. Let's get started. Coupons can drive customers to your business, boost existing customer engagement, and generate new revenue. It is estimated that 60% of consumers are likely to try a new product as a result of a coupon. If a coupon is used in a well strategized marketing, it may generate a good amount of revenue. Now let's see how we can add coupons to our website and see its settings. Head over to your dashboard. Click on WooCommerce, go to Settings. In your General tab, make sure this option is checked. Now go back to your WooCommerce and go to Coupons section. Now click on Create your first coupon. Now let's name our coupon. Now let's discuss what these discounts type are. Let's discuss percentage discount. Percentage discounts means you will grant the customer a discount on a product in form of percentage on the total bill. Now fixed cart discount. Fixed cart discount means a certain specified amount will be deducted on total bill on applying the coupon. Now the fixed product discount. Fixed product discount grants discount of specified amount to each product in the cart. Now here we will specify the coupon amount. For us this will be 20. Now make sure to pick the right currency. Now we will give a percentage discount. And check this box if we want to grant free shipping upon applying the coupon. And don't forget to apply the coupon expiry date. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Now let's see some usage restrictions. Minimum spend means the minimum amount that must be there in order for you to apply the coupon. Let's say we need at least $50 of products to apply the coupon. Now this is individual use only. Let's check mark this box. That means no one can combine 2 or more coupons. And if you want to exclude already discounted items, check mark this box. You can also apply the coupon for a specific product or a category. Now let's see on usage limits. Now here we can specify how many number of times a coupon can be applied. Now let's set it up. So we want a user to apply only one time. Now this option means how many number of people can use this coupon. For example, I only want 100 people to use this coupon. So we'll specify 100 here. And to publish this coupon, just click on publish. Now let's head over to our website to see. Now as you can see, 5% of the amount has been deducted. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.